Pleased to launch within the B&G portfolio the world's first sailing boat dedicated chart plotter. Most chart plotters are designed for the mass market and are specific regardless of whether you're a powerboat or a sailing boat. So within B&G we've taken the standard chart plotting platform, we've annotated it and made it into a yachtsman friendly chart plotter. The first key feature is that it's the first chart plotter that will allow us to overlay weather in Europe. This is a snapshot of here and now. With the weather file we can run through a simulation. So if I hit the menu key, we have our options here called grid weather, and if I just go down here and I turn it on to the animate, I have a time step here. So what I can now do is I can run the simulation through, and if you look down here in the bottom left hand side, you can see at this particular point 81 hours into the future this is what the wind's going to do. So we can run through the simulation. Alternatively, if we just want to have a generic overview, we can actually just put it into its automatic navigation, and you can see here now that it will just run through a simulation. Number two is that it's the first chart plotter that allows us to put ley lines on. So if we're in a powerboat we can go anywhere, we're not concerned with the wind, we're to go sailing, we need to know where the wind's coming from, and that dictates our strategy and our course. You can see our boat's location, and you can see a waypoint that we've put, which is just cruising past the headland up here. Normally if we're a powerboat, you just get one line on the chart plot. It says from here to here, and it gives you one straight line. Obviously when you're sailing we can't go straight to the wind, so what you have here are the wind ley lines. So we can sail off this angle and we can go sailing off this angle. So if we want to get to this mark here, if we're cruising we don't want to do lots of tacks, we want to get there gently, so we go sailing along this line until we hit this red solid line here. We then tack, and it allows us to make our mark, clear our headland, get to our next destination. And the third feature that's on the B&G chart plotter is that we can now put in sailing boat polars. So we can now annotate and make it a bit more racy and put in actual numbers that are of note and of interest to the yachtsman. We've put a lot of time and effort into ease of use, so it works very much in a Windows type approach, and its ease of use has been our one big driving force behind the plotter. So if you just look down here on the top right and the bottom right hand side, what we're doing here is we're showing the same basic data that you can get on any chart plotter, but we're displaying it in a graphical format, which for the sailor makes it easier to make decisions. If we just look down here in the bottom right hand corner, we've got true wind direction, so we can see how the wind is changing and oscillating through the time step. So we've got, over the last 10 minutes, you can see what the wind has been doing. It's available now. It comes in two sizes. We do a 12-inch screen and an 8-inch screen. The 8-inch screen is £2,400 plus the VAT, and the 12-inch is £3,400 plus the VAT.